Alright. Hello everybody. Thank you for joining. Thank you for coming. Today is an awesome day. We are getting down heavy TEAROUT using the NEONIX pack. It's going to be sick. This is from the Avant sample pack that you can get in the description. I use a lot of these sounds and I made something sick and I want to show you guys what we got. Let's get it.
I was racking my gun in the kitchen. On the low, we bustin' your bitches. Wipe his nose, but no, not a tissue. Bullet hole, the switch got a 50. Rich as cold, you think it was Christmas. Nigga know that it's up. Working that bitch in the back of the Maybach, I told her to put the seat up. I'm not gonna go to the internet, I'm about that dash and it's time to meet up. Broke niggas know we not internet, go get some bigger, yeah, time to eat up. All my young niggas be spinning that, he wants some strike with the gang of D-Up.
When I Selector.
Boom. Yes. That's what we got. I made some TEAROUT guns in this. We used some of the sounds from the NEONIX presets in Serum. And then we also made some really dope like Reese's and melodies with some of the sounds too. Like these. And then of course we got some nice. I just added some claps, you know, like filtered everything. Slowly built everything up. While the drop plays, we have like this this sound playing throughout, and the fills.
Selector.
And I use those as fills. But what we did here for like these guns, we have two layers. See here. And the way we made those layers with this gun rack here, basically you start like this. I'm going to make a separate video on this to actually show you how to make this new gun rack. But I made this sound. And if we take away the Serum, we have these. These are really meant for transients, right? So like a perk, hi-hat, shaker, coins, Call of Duty Black Ops gun. And then we combine a Serum, which is a NEONIX bass patch, and then we use dispersers and a loud rack to get it sounding like this. So we get a nice, cool, dispersed sound. Combine all those sounds to get that. Well, that's like our TEAROUT one shot. And what you do is you basically resample that sound, and then you get this just first. You resample it, and then you start making a pattern out of it. And you can use the fades here. So that's what we did here. And of course, on it, we add more dispersers, EQ, Drip TT. We add the hybrid reverb to make it sound cool. EQ it again, and then clip it. That's how we do the processing. Very minimal, but much needed. And then we can make a second one. So you kind of change the patch in the first gun and make a second layer. Then you can combine those two. Combine those with like the coins again for the high. It was just some high. And then we combine it with the sub, which matches the pattern. So that's sick. Really easy. With all the samples in the pack, I could just use these presets and use the different sounds to make new guns. We can use simplers too if we didn't want to use Serum, which is awesome. Also, we have some other sustains in the background. And then we have the big sussy over here. That one I made in massive. So it's really cool. we're able to like combine melodic sounds with heavy tear out sounds, which is really cool. That's kind of a new way to look at it. Instead of just being straight heavy, we can explore new ranges and get melodic heavy if we want. Like I said, if you want this full project, it will be in the Patreon, as well as some presets too if you want to just join the $3 tier. If you want to actually download the full sample pack, Avant Samples will hook you up in the description. You can actually check it out there. Otherwise, let's go ahead and check out the middle of the drop. Nice. Start layering your guns, make them dope. You can definitely join the Discord and you can actually hang out with the community so we can make more guns together. Otherwise, hope you guys have a good night. Get all the sounds you need, keep making bangers, and hit me up if you need any help. Otherwise, peace.